Hey guys, this is Pijanosa and I'm here to help you decide if you want or need the SecretLab Magnus Pro and the SecretLab Titan Evo. First, I'm gonna give you a small montage from the assembly, and at the end I'm gonna show you the final result. But disclaimer, I did not receive anything for free from them. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that, so enjoy.
Straight ahead, no man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate, won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law, and you've been served. For my 1 billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not. Time for a girl on time.
Okay, now for the last thing I wanted to mention, the pros and cons for the SecretLab Magnus Pro and the Titan Evo chair, but I'm just gonna list them on the screen. You can pause the video to check them out. This is to save your time if you're not interested into a long monologue. I hope all of this was helpful to you guys. I'll leave you here. Until next time, have an awesome day.